Hello everyone, welcome to our this week's digital marketing news. I'm going to explain you about what happened this week and what are the news and what are the different things happened this week. So let's begin our first concept. This happened on September 7th. We have got this update, and what is this update is from Microsoft ads, that is basically Bing ads, now have introduced a new features for their advertisers. So one of the feature they have added is they will be now offering video campaigns, but only on the certain partner networks, because Bing doesn't have a video portal like YouTube. So they are offering video ads on some relevant platforms which are partnered with Microsoft, and also in certain countries they will be also giving vertical product ads depending on specific industry. They will be providing the ads on shopping ads as well, and apart from it they have added few more small features. You can check the link. I will be sharing this in the description to get the complete idea about what are the new features added. So this is the first update which happened. Next, Google have updated their Google Lightbox version, and they have modified certain features, certain options, and also basically this is more like a background tool for our Google Page Speed Insight, the tool which we use for checking the core web vitals and our usability factors and all. This is one of the open source software provided by Google which acts as an actual background tool for our Page Speed Insight. So some minor changes and wordings has been changed in the definition of this particular tool as well. So this also in future we will see what changes will happen in this tool. This is the second update we have got. And then Twitter have announced a new feature this week. Last week they announced super follow. This week they have announced something called as communities. So what is communities is basically, right now again it is under beta version. Communities is something where people can share the tweets etc. in a specific community which they belong to. Now who can engage is the people who are in the part of the community can engage with those posts and engage with those tweets, and who are not in the part of the community cannot engage, but they can see the tweets. So basic idea is similar to Facebook groups. If you remember, in Facebook groups we have a membership only access where only members can access, or sometimes public can access but they cannot engage. So there are different levels of groups. So in similar terms you can say Twitter is also looking to create similar to our Facebook groups concept. So they have launched this communities. It has almost similar ideas itself. Next we have Google to begin more search term data to advertisers. If you remember, I guess a few months or years back, Google have released one new feature. They updated one of the terms and conditions, and they said from now onwards we will give less data, search data to users. But it was very bad for advertising context, because if Google is showing 75% of the search terms and 25% they are not showing to advertisers. So what was the problem is we have to guesswork, like what exactly are those words people are searching. Now good news for Google AdWords specialist is that now Google is going to provide more data for search term report, which is a great point of view, because we can able to make very good decisions based on what people are searching, and based on that we can also add negative, or we can add some specific keywords as well. So this is a great update for every one of us. And then YouTube have added, last week also YouTube added few creator features. This week they have added number one, evergreen video insights, one new feature, then trending hashtags option, and AdSense blocking controls under YouTube Studio, and then bulk editing of video chapters. So we have a chapters option, we can add that, and appeal YOLO monetization icons in Studio Mobile, that is in YouTube Mobile Studio also we can able to appeal for the updates as well. And last option is LinkedIn have made 35 plus learning courses free for a month. This is actually for due to this pandemic, they have given some specific courses like work from home point of view and leadership point of view. Certain courses they have released free for a month. You can actually check the link in the description. I will give the link where you can actually directly access this courses and also take advantage of this particular free resources. So I hope you are clear with this week's update. Not anything very crucial or a major change, only few new features and few options, and that would be good for us. Thank you very much.